Hey everybody, today we'll put on new accessories to my 2007 Jeep Wrangler. This is an accessory brake light that goes to the back of the tire. This is an easy install and these are the tools I'm using. This is a 3/4 inch socket that I will be taking off the lugs with. This is what we have to cut into. There are 2 wires in here. First you have to separate them and then you cut straight up the middle. These are 2 wires that were inside, the ground and the power, and we will be hooking into them. First thing, we have to trim these wires because they're too long. This is where we're going to cut it. I'm using this thing to tap into the ground. Then we use this wire into the ground and we push it all the way up. Putting this tap into the power, just like before. Push it all the way up. Then we take this wire, push it all the way up, and then we just clip it on. We're gonna be sealing things up with electric tape. On by the wheel and the lugs. This light is not approved by the DOT, so do not remove this light.